welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I feel like I have filmed a video, but we are officially back in our new home and all of the boxes are unpacked. There's only 2 more left, and that's all of the picture frames, decorations, stuff like that that goes up on the walls. So we haven't hung very many things, but everything else is all unpacked. So I am so eager to plan this week. I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and hop into it. This is my classic catch-all, and I use a vertical layout. And I really, really love the Happy Planner, what they're doing now, which is keeping most of everything very, very neutral. So it really helps me out a lot. I'm going to be using this little sticker book. I think there's about 5 pages. This is Neutral Jungle. So now that Valentine's Day is officially over, but we're still in February, I was kind of struggling with what I would do this week, but I felt like this was really, really fun and cute, and I've had it for a little while. So I haven't used it yet, and I really, really wanted to. Yeah, it was from last year. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here is what I have going on this week. So there's at least 1 or 2 things every single day. So the boxes that I'm using are going to be from this student book. It has the perfect colors. So my husband has off Monday, so I'm gonna put that down and white out that, so it's just a regular box. Going into work early, and then also making a note that, there we go, I'm gonna do this one, that I need to pay off the Target credit card on my lunch break. Okay, then I want to take out a big box for Tuesday because it's a release, so that's always fun. So I'm gonna just kind of put it in the middle, and then I'm gonna put something on top of this because this obviously doesn't go well with what I got going on, you know? So I'll just white that out. Thursday, oh, these match. Yeah, they totally do. So I'm gonna actually pull this up. Okay, I was just flipping through and found this, so might as well use it. Okay, that'll go there. There's also paying a bill kind of stickers. Use one here. Okay, I'll actually put it down here instead. And I'll put work right there. So what I might end up doing is just using a regular box and then putting the word appointment in it. So maybe I could do hello, I'm super busy. Put that for here because that actually matches, so that works. Let's see what else. My first paycheck is on Friday, so excited is an understatement for sure. And then we have our fridge delivery. That is Saturday. I think it's in the morning, so put that there. This one is a make your own sticker book, and this is where I put all of my words. So I have right here, church. Let me go back to our home church we haven't been to in a long time now that we live back in the area. And American Idol comes on Sunday evening. So I was thinking I could put down a cute sticker for that, because I think I want to watch it. I haven't watched it in a while, but I think I want to watch it. I definitely love to watch the auditions. Those are always fun. Okay, so now I have my functional things down. So now I can pull all of this stuff out and make it cute. I love the cheetah. Love it, love it. Always believe in your wildest dreams. All right, so I moved this box down here, and then I'm gonna put this Stay Wild, just kind of like with it. All right. Appointment. It's gotta be in here. Yes. Right. There we go. So that works. And then what I'll do is put 2 colon, like a, 2 dots for colon. And then I'll be able to put in the 2 appointments. So they're right at the same time. Okay. And let's do payday. Here we go. Okay. This one. Okay. Both of these together, so that works. Stay strong. Oops. Okay. Well, I guess I didn't need to cut it at all. Whoops, because I thought I was gonna go this way with it, but all right, I think that's gonna be it. I think I'm all done. I have some sticky notes off to the side, and these are reminders that I need to do this week. So there's that, and that'll be it. So kind of simple, but I'm just so excited to be in my room, in my new craft room. So I was a little bit distracted, I guess. I'm not sure. Maybe I just need to get into the groove, but I think I like it. It's simple, but it's really fun. I love the color palette. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I also wanted to thank every single one of you that were patient with me as I was moving and everything, but I am back and I have the best craft room ever. So I am definitely excited to start back in filming and sharing with you guys and talking to you, especially in the comments. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.